Hello! I thought I would make this little video to show everybody how to get Google Sites started if that's something that you're interested in doing. So you see my cursor, go up to the little 9 square up here, click it, and you'll see the drop down, and then you'll see on my tray it's here. It might not be in the same exact spot, but you hit Sites, and Sites will open up, and then you can see this is mine. You can choose to do the original sites, which is where it default goes to, but I like the new Google Sites. So you see on the new Google Sites, you can click it, and you'll see here, I've created this site already, this SBJC Reading Toolbox, but you can create a new one. To create a new one, you just go over here to the little plus sign and create a new site. Wait for it to open up, and it starts up with your title page. And it's pretty user friendly. Go up here and you name your site. So I'm going to name this how to make a Google site. And then title page, how to make a Google site. So you can change it around, make it a little wider over here so that it fits nicer. So you can add things here, and then you scroll down, and it's kind of like making a form if you've ever made a form. You can add things in. There's a place here to insert. There's a place here for adding pages to the site. You could change the theme if you like. It defaults to the simple theme. Change the color if you like red, purple, kind of partial purple. Blue if you want that color blue. You can change the font styles if you like. So this, I kind of like this. This one is another one too. You can change it. You can change the image in the background if you don't like it. I changed the image on the other site that I made to make it look like a toolbox because I like to think that when I do reading, it's a reading toolbox. But you can customize it and personalize it to however you feel you want. You go up here, you can preview what it looks like when it's ready. You can, well, you don't have a link for it, but you can share it with others, and settings will, if you hit settings, it'll show you different things on settings like the navigation, you want to add a brand, different viewer tools that there are here, and then the analytics for who's watching your site and all that. You can enable that and check out who's checking you out. Not personalized, but you can check out how many people saw your site and things like that. So that's kind of let's see what's over here. You can do different version histories. Every time you make a change to it, it's going to tell you what you did. And we can go back over to insert. So you can insert a text box, you can insert images, you can embed things if you want to embed another website into it, and you can add things from your drive. If you scroll down here, you can change the layout however you like. And these are the different options of things you can add. So you can add collapsible text. So if I click there, and then it's going to come up, and then you can sit. This is the main part of the text. And then over here, you can click to edit it. This is where you will put in the description. And then also if you click back on it, you can make this, it's either collapsible or not collapsible. If you want it to stay up all the time, you're going to go here. But if you click this, this little bottom part will only come up when you scroll over it. So I like to leave it open. So I left it open on the ones that I did. You can make a table of contents, and the table of contents will automatically come up once you have populated things down here as you go along. You can add a YouTube link. When I made my little video for St. Patrick's Day, I used this to insert a YouTube link. You can add a calendar to your site, a map location. You can add docs. I put docs and documents in there. You can add slides if you have a slide presentation that you want to do. You can add sheets. I added the, so let's do sheets. I added the resource. So these are all the things that I have in my drive that are sheet related. And you just scroll and pick the one that you want to put in there. So this was the one that I made for all the resources. So I'll add that one in so you can see what it looks like when it's added in there. So, and then it puts the tabs on the bottom. If you have tabs, it adds it right in. Looks good. And if you don't like it where it is, you can actually move it. So you grab the little handle here and you go up to the top. And then well, I didn't grab it far enough. So you grab it up here and then you can put it. And now I just changed the order. So I made that above the little handle. So maybe I want to put that there. Maybe I want this to be on the bottom and not on the top if I want a little explanation so I can say what this is now. So when I did it, so maybe we want to make a title. Remote learning for parents and teachers. And then I'll put a little description in here. Use this resource to help you find things to keep your child working. And that's about it. So let's see, you can add sheets, you can add a form if you want to put a form, you can put a chart and whatnot. If there are any questions, email me. I'm more than willing to help you guys out with how to make these things. I kind of find this stuff a little bit fun. I'm a geek that way. And I hope this was helpful.